Hey everybody, GeoArm Security here, and today I'm going to show you how to program the 2GIG-GB1-345 wireless glass break detector from 2GIG into the 2GIG GC3 wireless security and home automation system. The first thing that we're going to want to do, of course, is remove the glass break detector from its packaging box. So simply go ahead and do that. And keep in mind, make sure when you're removing all the items from the box, to make sure that you remove them carefully in case you need to return them. They do need to be in resellable condition. So simply remove the instructions, the batteries. It should come with two CR123A ion lithium batteries from Panasonic. You can keep those next to the instructions, and then of course you want to remove the glass break detector from the bubble wrap. Now make sure you keep the bubble wrap and everything as well. I like to just put everything that I'm not going to be using back in the box and seal it up just in case. So you got your instruction manual. Go ahead and open that up. Should come with 2 pages. Really you only need the first page. So you can keep that to the side just in case you need to resort back to that. Now go ahead and take the glass break detector here, and you're going to go ahead and open it up, and you're going to simply take the batteries and make sure the negative end lines up to the negative end, positive end to the positive. Do that on both of them like so. At this point, I mean, you could have already mounted, you can mount this in the correct location of where you want to have it, and then all you would have to do is close that and seal it back into place. To program the 2GIG glass break detector, simply go ahead and select System Settings, enter in your default installer code, which is 1561, scroll down, select Installer Toolbox, System Configuration, Wireless Zones, and I already have a contact programmed into Zone 1. I'm going to go ahead and use Zone 3 just for example, and go ahead and start from the top. Sensor type, select the hamburger button. You want this on a perimeter, that way if it is activated the alarm will go off instantly. Select the down arrow. Now it's asking you for the equipment code. Simply locate the 0864, the 2GIG glass break detector. Select the down arrow to continue. The serial number is very easy as well. Automatically learn it by selecting Learn. Then go ahead and tamper the device and line up the arrow with the arrow on the glass break detector, and then you can close it. Select Accept. Continuing on. Equipment age, this is a brand new product, so you can continue on. Sensor loop, you're going to go ahead and use loop 1 in order for this to work properly. Continuing on. Transmission delay, it's on a perimeter, so I don't want it delayed at all. I want that disabled. Select the down arrow. Voice descriptor, I like to keep everything labeled, so I'm going to go ahead and just use, for example, master, bedroom, glass break. Go ahead and select done. Continuing on with the down arrow. Sensor reports, you want that enabled, that way our central monitoring station will receive these signals from this sensor. Continuing on, select the down arrow. You also want the sensor supervision enabled. That means the panel is constantly looking for this wireless glass break detector, so that, you know, if it happened to leave the home, you will get an alert basically saying there's an issue with that. A sensor supervisory trouble. Select down arrow. Chime, you're not going to need a chime because it is a glass break detector, so you can go ahead and select Return to System Configuration. Select the back button. Confirm all the programming and changes that you made to the system. Select Save.
System disarmed. Ready to arm.
Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and test the sensor. So I'm going to arm the system up.
Arming stay. System armed stay.
Now that the system is armed, I happen to have a glass break detector here, and I'm simply going to simulate some glass breaking, and that should set the system off.
Alarm. Master bedroom. Glass break.
As you can see, that has caused an alarm, which means our glass break detector is working. And that's how you program the 2GIG-GB1-345 wireless glass break detector into the 2GIG GC3 wireless security and home automation system. Please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube page and view our blog at DIYsecurityblog.com. If you need to reach us by phone, our number is 1-877-443-6276.